Hey, this is Gary Kay. We're here at the AMO E4 in Teaneck, New Jersey, and I'm here with Mitch Rosenberg, Senior Director of Sales for Absen, ABSEN, not Epson, but Absen, right. ABSEN. That's probably the most common mistake made. But interestingly enough, both of y'all specialize. Epson specializes in projectors, and Absen specializes in direct view LED. That's all you do, and you're the number one or number two exporter in the world. Is that right?
10 years in a row.
Number one, 10 years in a row. All right, so we're right now in a transition from projectors to LED, obviously. A lot of people agree that that's eventually going to overtake a lot of the projector market, a lot of the flat panel display market.
Agreed.
And then inside the LED market, we have a transition from where it is today to these micro LEDs and mini LEDs. Right. Tell me, what's that transition path going to look like, and sort of where Absen's going to play? Are they going to be in all segments of the market, or are they focused in one part?
My opinion, mini LED is already being delivered. Mini LED, currently, we've got a product in our line which is 1.2 millimeter. And then
is that a fixed display product that you have, or is that different?
It's both fixed and for rental and staging. The advantage to mini LED is extremely durable. Yeah. Where LEDs are so fragile, you run your finger across, they have a tendency to break or shatter, they'll break on the edges, etc. Mini LED is a lot more durable. Mini LED can be brought down to about 0.6 millimeter. We have product coming, which we'll be showing very shortly, which is 0.6. Micro LED is a whole different animal. Micro LED is a completely different construction. It's a totally different manufacturing.
Like the thickness of the human hair or something like
Correct.
that. Correct. Yeah.
Micro LED can go down to 0.1. Now, I've seen prototypes from our factory at 0.2 and 0.3, but theoretically, manufacturing can go down to 0.1. Micro LED is anywhere, in my opinion, from 36 to about 48 months out as a volume product. When micro LED hits the marketplace, that's the end. That is the end of flat panels. That is the end of projectors. I will forecast that right now, prognosticating that this is going to occur in the future, because there's no reason for it not to be. Micro LED is produced in sheets, so your yield rate is going to be extremely high once it's actually in a volume piece. Its resolution can take over theaters without even blinking, because you've got high resolution. It's going to be flexible. It's very similar to the substrate that you and I are very familiar with, which is OLED, except it's micro LED. And unlike OLED, which has an extremely short lifespan, right now our micro LED is going to have the same type of lifespan that DV LED has. So when you're talking 100,000 hours, the light output won't be where it is with standard LED, but it's still going to be 300, 400 nit. That's more than enough for home application. That's more than enough for digital out of home, signage, almost anything you can think of. Wrapping these, that's a neat trick. You can now do that with mini micro LED. Sorry, it's a closed thing.
Will Absen play in the micro LED market?
Absolutely.
All right,
Absolutely.
You heard it here. Thanks for watching. Check out all the videos we shot here at raypubs.com/E4.